Show as always has been buzzing and very busy. We're very pleased so far. New products for RCF, a very interesting one on the commercial side as well as live entertainment. And I think the industry is picking up again. For RCF has been a very positive year, and we're looking forward to the rest of 2011 for great success and interesting projects.
Hi, my name is Kenneth. I'm working for the RCF company. We are here with a new media series that we are launching. The media series is perfect for installations in lots of different environments. It can be clubs, restaurants, and smaller applications where you need a very good speaker that has good sound and goes very well with the decorations. This year we have added a lot of new stuff for our installed sound catalog. It's very important for us to have the right products that are going into this special segment. The installed sound segment is in a positive move. We have seen a lot of new installations coming throughout last year, and this year many people have asked us to develop more type of smaller products application, and that's also why we can go here and see the new C-series based on, let's say, a speaker line where you need still compact but louder and more volume out of the sound. You get that in the C-series.